Well, good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, December 16th, 2024, and you're in the live trading room with Tim the Trader. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend this weekend. So, coming off what was a pretty one of our better weeks that we've ever had. These are Friday's trades. All six trades ended up 117, and just a great week. We had that swing high. Let me get up my little drawing tools here. Had that swing high first thing in the morning, like we've been getting lately, and then a long sell off, slow but long sell off that took us right up to 11 o'clock. So it was up and down, and we took full advantage of all those trades. And rest of the day, it had some up and down, some good scalping opportunities, slow scalping opportunities throughout the day. Another swing high later in the day. Then it went flat and a little bit of sell off end of the day. And that was it for Friday. So we closed at, or Q closed at 530.61, and it's currently sitting at 532.74, which I don't believe. Do we have a gap play this morning?
No, I think we're
533.
just outside of it
Yep.
or inside of it.
Yeah, it looks like just inside of it. We've got a few minutes left to go, and we will see if we do end up, although we are trending down currently right now. Let's head over to the option chain. We are trading Tuesday's expiration. That's tomorrow, so 17 December 24. Can you believe Christmas is next week? And we'll talk about our Christmas schedule after we get into the market a little bit. We have 807,000 traded on the underlying. We'll be starting at or near the money. 533 on the put side, 532 on the call side. Let me let Derek in. And with that, let's say good morning to our good friend, Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, amazing Friday on trading last week. This morning we had a New York Empire State Manufacturing Index that missed a little bit on the downside. We will have global composite PMI and global manufacturing PMI coming in at 9:45 this morning. Two bond auctions at 11:30, the 3-month and the 6-month. Biggest thing we're looking forward to this week, though, is the Fed meeting and rate decision coming out on Wednesday. So
Mhm.
see what that goes. But never a number of announcements this week. No 10 o'clock report coming out today, so we may get a pop, may not get a pop today. And that's about it from here.
Okay, very good. That's right. Today or this week is a Fed week, so we may get a early Christmas gift this week, and we'll be trading that. We'll be coming back at 2 o'clock on Wednesday and trading that along with the press conference that happens after. Let me let a couple of folks in. There we go. All right, good crowd in this morning. And we've got about 15 seconds. Make sure you've got 20 cents, of course, between each of your hash marks. Let me get my writing tools out again. Any excuse to use the writing tools. But anyway, make sure you have 20 cents between each of your hash marks over on your charts. Just so we're looking at the same size candles each day from day to day. Okay, we got 15 seconds. Let's make it a good day today. Good start of the week. All right, stand by. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was interesting. Bell's a little early. Turn up my sound a little bit. Okay, so Dow is up 25, Nas is up 89, S&P is up 16. We're getting a little push up right now. And I will go to the 532 on the call side. Wow. Getting a nice push up. Whoops. Bring that back. Wrong button. Bring that down. Bring you down a little bit. Get these charts all in. 5 minutes about to cross.
Now, Tim, that puts us up above the high for the gap play. Does that mean if it comes down through, we'll have a gap play?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so too.
So we'll keep an eye on that. All right. And on the put side, I'll be at the 535 on the put side. But on the call side, just looking at the 532 on the call side, stand by. I'm going to go ahead and enter this 532 and did. Waiting for my charts to unfreeze here. Okay. See if it overcomes this little pullback here. Well, may have gotten into this one just a bit early, folks, but let's see what happens. We do have a nice positive market.
Yeah, Tim, I find getting in before 5 minutes into the market coming in, that's usually a mistake for me. So I'm
Yeah.
keeping my hand away from my mouse.
Yeah, we'll see. This may not work out, but we'll see.
Heading in the right direction for you here.
Yeah.
I got in at 318.
Looking at what?
I just got in
Oh,
318.
oh, okay. Yeah, I'm in at 318 as well. Let's head back up there.
And we've got the Dow up 9, NASDAQ up 105, S&P up 17, and 1.9 million underlying traded on the Qs.
All righty. Thank you, sir. So we're in an early call trade here. Market makers bouncing price back and forth. It was looking like it was going to really break out there in that first minute, but we're just going back and forth here, trying to find a direction. Something I think that paid off last week was we were a little more aggressive on our trades, picking up a little more trades, which I think helped our overall profitability. We're kind of stuck in a bit of a range here, looking to break out.
Those first 4 minutes had some nice volume on them, though.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I guess all of them were at least 100,000 there.
Time to climb out of here a bit. Down to VWAP. All right, guys, maybe time to get out of here. Sitting at VWAP right now. See if we get a bounce off of VWAP. There we go. Come on up. Having a hard time moving past that previous high of 534, but we're in the right area. Go. All right, stand by to take some profit here. And I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here. All right. Out at 539, 518 to 539.
Woohoo.
318 to 339. Sorry.
Very good.
318 to 344.
No, you dog.
I got 50 cents from this trade.
All right, Rita.
Oh my God.
Rita, go, girl.
Plus 14.
Nice. All right, we're going to head over to the put side, to the 535 on the put side. Boy, we got that one. Got out just at the right point there, too. Rita, 50 cents. My goodness. I love it.
She's the winner.
She's the winner. Yep.
Thanks, Dean.
Thanks, Rita, for staying.
Actually, I lost first time and then I bought again.
Nah,
First time when team told us to get out from the trade, I
yeah.
sold that and then I bought it again.
Oh, good.
Yes. When price go down, I bought it again.
There you go. She's got it. She's got it.
And we've got that announcement coming out in 2 minutes.
Okay. We may bounce over to the call side again. Let's see if we get a reversal on this. We'll bounce to the call side. I'll go back to the 532 on the call side. If we bounce off of VWAP here, we do have that announcement coming up in 2 minutes. Let's see if this corresponds. Got a nice full house today. Which, by the way, let's talk about Christmas, which is coming up next week. We are going to trade between Christmas and New Year's, but we're going to do an abbreviated schedule. We'll probably just do 45 minutes each day, but we'll see how the market is moving. Could be completely dead, where all we're doing is scalping, but at least we'll keep it abbreviated for the week. All right. Sitting at the looking at the 532 on the call side. Stand by. Got 30 seconds till this announcement comes out. Heading down through VWAP. See how our broader markets are doing. So Dow's up 562, Nasdaq's up 69, S&P's up 12.
There's the announcements.
Okay. Stand by on this 532 call. Stand by. All right. Let's see if it's getting ready to pop. Yep. All right, I'm going to enter this 532 call and in at 301.
I'm in at 306.
Okay.
I'm in 304.
Okay.
Tim, I actually made 60 cents from the first trade.
Nice.
Yeah,
Even more.
yes.
Wow. Nice going. That's very cool. I'm proud of you, Rita.
Thank you.
Now you should treat all of us, Rita.
Cheers.
All right, slowly rising up to 314. Try to get 20 cents out of this. Candle showing some indecision. All right, stand by. And I'm going to go ahead and take profit here. And out at 330. 301 to 330.
304 to 324.
Wow.
I just said it like that, so it just executed.
Yeah. So plus 50 on 2 trades.
That's because of you, Tim. I mean, you just said you will take 20 cents. So I just said it for 20 cents.
Okay. All right. And I'm probably going to go back to the 533 on the call side. See if this Put resets a little bit. That's a 532. Falling into a bit of a tight range here, probably in a distribution phase right now. See if this breaks out above that. We've got 3,600,000 in on the underlying. Not bad in terms of volume. Let's see what our broader markets are doing. Dow's up 25, Nas up 93, S&P's up 16, so positive market all the way across. So looking at the 533 on the call side again. Get a bit of a pullback here. There it goes.
All right, I got 30 cents on that. Finally got out. In at 306, out at 336.
Nice. And looking at the 533 on the call side, I'm going to re-enter this 533, which I have, in at 291. We're on a nice breakout here. Get our 5 minute. We need to put in some zones here. In fact, I'm going to put in a demand zone on the bottom of this red candle.
You did get in on that 533?
I did. I did. In at 291.
MACD's getting a little high there.
Yeah.
Not enormously, but a little high. think I'm going to be looking at the puts. Looks like we're on a distribution phase right now. So
Mm-hmm.
I'll either be at the 535 or the 536 on the put side. I'm going to go ahead and enter this on the 536 on the put side.
536.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to enter the 536 as well. In at 283.
Team,
Yes.
we are in 533 call side, right?
Yes.
And then you buy again,
And then I bought a put.
put 536.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yeah, playing both sides here.
Coming on the pop.
Yes, we are. Here we go. All right, stand by to take some profit on this call. Let me see, 591 at 306. All right, we're in the pop. To 312, 91, 13. Stand by to take some profit on this call trade. Let's go ahead and take profit on the call trade. Out at 331. Wow, 40 cents on that.
Plus 17.
Nice.
285 to 324.
Nice.
Now come down. Now
Yeah.
come.
Now come down. That's right. All right. Might be time to get out of this. I'm getting out of this put. And I'm heading back to the call side, to the 534 on the call side. All right, may head back to the put side, to the 537 on the put side. Let's see what this comes tumbling down. Maybe trying to turn here. All right, I'm going back to the 537 on the put side. Maybe a little profit taking going on here. So we've got Dow is up 88, NASDAQ's up 108, S&P's up 20. Still showing pretty positive markets on the broader indices.
Hey team, is anyone still on the put trade? I couldn't get out.
You're still in the put trade?
Yeah.
Okay, you're good.
Yeah, I still am too.
Okay.
You're good. You're in good shape.
I'm still in it also. So
Yep.
hopefully we'll come out of this thing.
Yep, it's coming down.
Oh, I sold it.
Yep, me too.
I need my put back. No.
Derek, 104 on two call trades. Way to go. Nice job, Derek. Staying in a fairly tight range. We do have a supply zone here, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in. All right, got a supply zone and a demand zone in. Just staying in a pretty tight range right now. We've got our Heikenasi has crossed to the put side. the 5 minute is converging slightly, but got to break out of this little zone here.
Looks like it's going sideways for a while.
Yeah.
But for that one put rate, the rest two were great.
Yep.
Yeah. You try and make it up.
Yep. This put's going to come down.
Got to refill the warehouse.
Mm-hmm. Yep. It's just a matter of time. Finishing up a distribution phase right now after this swing high that we had. So the market maker needs to bring price back down again to start filling the warehouse. Definitely finding some resistance here at the supply zone, as we would expect to find. Our 1 minute MACD is resetting nicely.
There we go. Come on down.
So I'm keeping an eye on the put side. May re-enter this put if this continues down.
You put what number? What strike? It's
Hmm?
537 or 536 put.
536, yeah.
Thanks.
Okay.
Come on, market maker, push her down.
You must be getting close.
Not quite break even yet. Getting close though. Let me see if I can get 20 cents on this. And I got 22 cents on it.
All right.
In at 282, out at 304.
Good job.
Hey Keith,
Yes, sir.
are you trying to top Tim for last Thursday?
No.
So those of you who stayed in that put should have gotten rewarded.
Yeah, I debated
Yeah.
on doubling down when it was really starting to turn too,
Mm-hmm.
but no, I still trust in the charts. Let me see what it's looking like. I think we can get out of this.
I almost got out when it was break even, but I stay a little bit. I got something else.
I ended up getting out for 20-cent profit.
Oh, nice.
Keith, what did you see in the chart that kept you in it?
That we were up at a distribution zone up there at the top with some high volume on those, and then it was starting to the candles were starting to show coming down with then lower volume, and I think it was just a matter of time before it dropped.
Thanks.
Yep.
All right, let's head back over to the 533 on the call side. Wow. Excuse me.
That you making a trade, Tim?
That was actually my wife.
Ah,
She just did a call trade for 287 to 305.
oh, fantastic. Very good, Melissa.
She's going thumbs up.
Back up to the supply zone there.
So if we break through the supply zone, we'll look at another call trade at probably the 534. If we're going to bounce off the supply zone and head back down, let's see here. We'll keep that there.
You know, looking at the charts, I would have gotten into a call once we got the couple of those high volume candles there, but we're not too far away from the supply zone, so it didn't have a lot of movement in it, so I opted not to go ahead and get in a call there. Plus, I don't want to give money back unless it's good low-hanging fruit.
Yeah.
By the way, someone was asking what I saw to stay in that put. And if you're following along in Anna Cooling's book, on page 71, it showed a distribution phase at the top. And it's pretty much what we were seeing between 10 o'clock and 10:10 or so. So then it was likely going to fall with some pretty high volume in there too.
Mhm.
Trying to put things in context there.
Trying to break through the supply zone here. Having a bit of trouble getting through. Let's see what the broader markets are doing. So we've got Dow's up 36, Nas up 127, S&P up 20. So still positive market. We've got 6,500,000 in on the underlying. There it goes, punching through. So we keep an eye on the 534 on the call side, 534.
I think we might got in late on this, Tim.
Mm-hmm. It's the first time it's gone through the supply zone, and typically we don't get a breakout on the very first one that pops through. So we'll just keep an eye on this.
Well, I haven't done stellar this morning, but just in the two trades I have, I'm up 52 cents.
Hmm.
And I'm trading in two accounts, so total is up $1.06 on all my trades this morning.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, very thankful for that.
So we're an hour in, a little over an hour in. We got 6,600,000 in on the underlying. And Dow's up 48, Nas up 126, S&P up 21. Maybe reversing back down. We're kind of at the top end of this trend.
Can you repeat the Christmas schedule, please?
Sure, we're going to meet between Christmas and New Year's, the days the market are open, but we're just going to meet halftime, so just for 45 minutes each session.
All right, Christmas and New Year's. All right, thank you.
Sure. So looking at this 534 on the call side. Let's make sure it's not a crazy Ivan.
MACD's getting up there again too.
Yeah. All right. Going over that 534 on the call side.
I love days like this.
Mm-hmm.
To put things in context, the percentage gain on those two trades this morning, I'm up 17.6% on those two trades, based on the amount that was at risk.
Nice. Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades up plus 90, even with that loss on that put.
Excellent.
Should we check for a put again, Tim?
Keep an eye on it. We still have a pretty strong uptrend going here. This could just be a temporary pullback.
It'd be nice to see MACD reset a little bit and then get in another call.
Yeah, and we're about to reset the MACD. If we come down a little bit further. I want to say good morning to Mr. Barnaby, joining us from Hawaii, where it is ungodly early. Barnaby says, "Hi, Tim. It's ungodly early." Yes, indeed, sir. Okay, we did get across on our MACD, so we're resetting on our 1 minute MACD. This is good. Let's see if we come back to a call. Actually, we can put another supply zone in. I'm going to duplicate this one, bring it up a bit to here. Duplicate the price level, bring it up. Right there. And then we're going to turn this other gray because it is now a minor zone.
I had a minor supply zone also at that second and third 5-minute candles today too.
Okay. All right, looking at the 534 on the call side. We have to go over to the put side if this breaks through this minor zone. It's some pretty low volume going on right now.
It is indeed.
All right, looking at that 534, stand by.
Tim, I'm not going to get in that. There's just not much room between there and the supply zone.
Yeah.
I'll be right back, Tim.
Sure. Yeah, we're just kind of meandering through this supply zone and minor zone. Right now, we got 7,700,000 in on the underlying. Dow's up 44, Nas up 156, S&P up 23.
Not huge volume today, 8 million in underlying traded, but we did get some pretty good volume on that first 20 minutes to a half hour or so.
Sure did.
And I think all the market makers went out to do some Christmas buying now.
Really. Yes, let's go over to the I'm going to go over the 537 on the put side here. If we break through this minor zone and continue down, may try one more put, but we'll see. It's reversing back up. Let's see.
It's interesting. VWAP's only really had one play in the market this morning,
Mm-hmm.
about 10:20 or so. And by the way, that's also where I set my exit on that put trade was right around VWAP there.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, it was just a tad below it in case it tried to challenge it and go down, and that's what got filled for me. That's what gave me success on Friday too, that we had a lot more distance to go between the supply zone and VWAP, and I just ruled that one out, knowing that the probability was on our side. It was going to go down and test VWAP and then probably bounce back up, and sure enough, it did that on Friday.
Sure did.
Hey, Tim, I don't know if you have a few minutes after the call, after the session today, if you could chat for a few minutes.
Sure.
Just give me a buzz when you get a minute.
Will do.
How's the hip doing these days?
Oh, it's great. It's great. Really doing well.
Glad to hear.
Very pleased. I think the key to that is physical therapy and exercise.
Yeah, good. Well,
the
at least
torture.
you're exercising your trades this morning.
Yes.
Marathon?
What's that?
Marathon anywhere in the picture?
Oh, probably not. I used to be a runner and don't do that so much anymore. It's more just walking these days. Walking and bike riding.
I just picked one trade.
Did you?
434 call,
Oh,
275 to 287. I just sold it.
there you
I
go.
don't want to wait anymore.
That's the way to scalp it. Way to go.
Tim, remember not back too long ago, we were happy to get 5 cents on a trade?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Got a question here from Barnaby. I'll answer real quick. My apologies for not seeing this. In options, if I don't close the contract, does the contract stay open regardless of market movement until I close it? Yes, yes, it'll stay open till you close it, or it'll stay open until it expires, Barnaby.
Can I mention something, Tim?
Sure.
I found out that in Schwab, I left it open and I bought $1 million worth of stock in my simulated trade. I didn't know that. So if you're in Schwab, it'll stay open and you'll buy the stock. But in TradeStation, they close you out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's interesting.
And it's possible that if you're in the money on Think or Swim, they may go ahead and exercise that if it's depending on what you have there. But although you were buying it, so were you doing naked trading?
No, just regular options.
Yeah, but do you understand what a naked trade is?
Yes.
Okay. Huh.
Interesting.
I was surprised the next day when I seen the balance. So I called and they explained it to me that if you leave the option open, at the end of the day, you bought the stock.
Yeah.
You exercise the option.
Yeah. Well, you exercise the option on the stock.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Just another thing, I did some, paper trading, and I spoke to them, and then, their representative told me that paper trading is not always like 100% right.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's a lot of test phases there. It's not 100% that accurate.
Yeah. 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 Paper trading, we've known for fairly long time now that paper trading is not always accurate. It doesn't always fill when when you want it to, when you're trying to execute a sell trade. simply because it doesn't have as much server resources devoted to it as live does.
Right.
Okay, guys, we're at the top of the hour. Let's go ahead and close it out for today. It was a good day. Ended up plus 90, even though we had that one put trade I got out of. I know several of you got out of, but ended up with a good day anyway. So that's it, guys. We will do this again tomorrow. Thank you for being here and supporting the room. We had a good crowd in today and had a good Monday. All right, guys, that's it. I'll leave charts up for a while and I will see you all tomorrow. All right, Keith, and I'll give you a call in a few minutes.
Okay, great. Thanks. Have a good day, everybody.